What's up, y'all? It's your boy Larry, Midnight Chaos. So this is a follow-up to the Monogram video. I have my Monogram headlights. They're overall in great condition, but turns out, and I knew this when I bought it, but they were missing the fucking wiring harness. And the whole time I thought you could buy them replacement from Toyota. Apparently you can't. They actually make you buy the whole headlight unit. So at that point I started to panic because I'm like, yo, I spent money on these headlights and just trying to figure out like what the fuck can I do to get these working. And the car gods answered my prayer, and basically I was able to find a salvaged headlight for these Monograms for under $100. So I got super lucky on that. And then I actually was able to find that same shop was selling a wiring harness and a ballast. So not only did I get a spare headlight, it's actually in my lap now. I have a spare headlight, another wiring harness, and 2 spare ballasts. So I really fucking lucked up. So right now, taking this headlight unit apart, trying to get the ballast out so I can dig out this wiring harness and adapt them over to the good pair of headlights. And this is another part that's actually you can't buy, but I had to source this out too. So now I have one of these backup. So like I said, right now I'm just removing this ballast, and I'm gonna see if I can get up inside of here and remove the rest of this harness, and we'll go from there. Stay tuned. Okay, so the part I'm trying to remove is this part. This little connector right here needs to be removed. And there's also a connector down inside of here. Let's see if you guys can see it. That guy right there. So that's what I'm trying to do right now, trying to get those removed without breaking them. So as you can see, you got this little guy out. See if we can get that focus. Come on, focus. Got that little guy pulled out of there. This went to the ballast. And we got one more down up in there. All right, y'all. We got most of the wiring harness removed. I'm on the very last one. And it's the wire that connects to this LED bar. If you guys are getting these headlights used, make sure, double check, triple check that the wiring harness is fucking included. It's not a part you can buy. And yeah, otherwise you could be looking like me making YouTube videos, fucking struggling with this shit. Like I said, I'm on the last wire. I'm on that guy right there. He's kind of deep up inside. So, I went ahead and grabbed some chopsticks. So I'm gonna see if I can press down on the tab and release that. Oh my God. Got it out, y'all. So yeah, this was the last connector. It was hooked up to the LED. Now I'm praying to the car guys, because I really hope that I can get this inside of these. We're about to see what it is, man.
A few moments later.
What up, y'all? Back in the lab, about to mess with these headlights. I got the harnesses out earlier, so I'm gonna go ahead. This is the old headlight. These are the new ones. They're in a lot better condition. Even though this one looks clean, it's broken. So we're gonna take the harnesses and install them into the good set of headlights. Wish me luck. This is my first time doing this. Hopefully everything turns out. And then from there, we'll go ahead and try to work on getting them installed on the car. So stay tuned. just connected. Let's zoom in a bit. You guys see that? That's the power for the LED bar. So what I did, I just got it as close in the socket as I could, and then for the rest of the way, just pressed it in with a chopstick, man, and that snapped it in there pretty good. So moving on to these other two wires. Like I was saying, this one goes to the ballast, and then I think this powers the high beam. So the harness is not plugged in all the way yet, but they're in. Like I was saying, this first black connector here goes into that little black box. That little black connector right there, that's what I just connected. It snapped in, it's good to go. Now, the last part should be the ballast. All right, man, this headlight's good to go. So as you can see, wire harness is in there. Everything on the inside is connected. Got the leveling unit there. Only thing I'm missing is the HID bulb. Got the ballast on. Ballast gasket is on there. So really this one is set up. I'm gonna go ahead and mess with the other one. Probably won't record it, but literally it's the same process, man. And like I said, if you guys are ordering any of these used, definitely make sure it has the wiring harness. Otherwise, you know, it's gonna be really hard for you to find. I really got lucky finding a wiring harness on eBay, and then also found this spare headlight. And this is not one that I'm using. This is just off of a junk car, and luckily this had all the parts that I needed. So it's a word of advice, man. So yeah, that's how you install the wiring harness. And I'm not sure if we're gonna do it in the same video, but we are gonna do the install soon. So definitely stay tuned for that. And if you like the videos, definitely be sure to give us a like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, Midnight Chaos LLC. And if you want to stay up to date with the videos, hit that bell for notifications. We out.
Check out the Instagram. Fucks with the Instagram and subscribe. Subscribe.